How are judges appointed? Well, that depends on what legal system you're talking about. Because what you may not know is there's not one legal system operating in Australia at the same time. There's more. And that's why it's confusing. Because everybody thinks there's one and we can't understand it. So we all think it's magic or voodoo. Now that you know there's more, you can see why you can't understand it, because they conflict. The different legal systems conflict. And what are these legal structures? Well, the first one, the best one, the one that we should be interested in, is called common law. That pertains to anybody who's standing on Australian soil and is a living human being. If that's you, then you're subject to common law, whether you like it or not. The second one is corporate law, or maritime law, or summary. Any one of these words describe the same thing. It refers to a legal system that operates off the land, not on the land, on the sea. It's a ship on the sea. That law is different. And judges in that court are elected differently from the way they're elected in common law. So let's start with common law. In common law, remember what we said. The Queen sits at the top of everything. And so what she does is she appoints the judges. Now we give her an indication of who we would like, because we say, look, we recommend this fellow, he's a good fellow, he's an upstanding member of our society. We think he should be a magistrate, or we think he's smart enough he could be a county court judge, or perhaps he could be a Supreme Court judge. That's okay. We do that. We put up some names. And then our Queen, through her Governor General, remember who he is, he looks after everything while she's not here, he selects one of those, and then he gives them a job for life. But in maritime law, it doesn't work like that. You don't get to say who the captain of the ship is. It's whoever owns the ship. Whoever owns the ship appoints the captain. So if you find yourself in a courtroom that's a maritime courtroom, you can forget all the laws of the land. None of them apply. None. No human rights, no legal rights, no common law, because you're no longer on the land. You need to be on the land to use common law. All your human rights apply whilst your feet are standing on terra firma. The minute you set foot into that ocean, you're in the Sea of Commerce. And once you enter the Sea of Commerce, no rules, no boundaries, no borders. Captain of the ship is the law. And you have no common law rights. So the idea, clearly, is keep your feet on solid ground. It's dangerous out there.